So guys, how to create mobile apps without coding knowledge? Everyone thinking about it, sir, how to create a mobile application. This is complete for customization. Nothing but without websites also you can creating for mobile application by using, suppose you are maintaining YouTube channels. So that all will be coming to the create a mobile application. So first we can discuss without website with the website. So I don't have without website. We can go with the blogger also we can use. In this purpose, we have to use one of the website will be called Andromo website. This website we can build a number of application, but APK build only for 3 times. That is called they give the one particular pricing. As a free of cost, you can making app. There's a free, but problem is called when people will be making for your particular application, we can build app will be only for 3 times. Here now, just will start here. Select here option will be create project. They give some option will be here. What's new? Project will be here. Everything in this easy to start will be here. The showing for complete option will be here. Go to your particular project option. Minimize. Create a new project. Writing for my channel name. What are the icons are important? Everything will be give. Complete your making app will be steps will be follow for total 7 steps. Activity, theme selection, global style, setting, monetization. When you purchase for Google Play Console, and we can activate AdMob, earning money from by monetization also. Nothing but AdMob we can using for Facebook Audience Network and Amazon mobile ads, AppBrain, AppLovin, and Star App. This all will be there. So I can show everything will be one by one step. In this finally, build option they can give only for 3 times. Means suppose you can create any APK file. There is a possible only for 3 times. If you need unlimited, go with a particular package. 30 projects, 2 GB storage, 300 projects. Here is the particular option per month. So we are making for free application. So in each application will be done. Click for save changes. Don't click for build option. Is it clear? This option. Now, first activity. Here, these are all your particular activities. What are the options you can add here? Custom page, photo gallery, website adding, about page, RSS field, PDF document, HTML archive, contact, email, map, phone, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Play, Flickr, audio player, podcast, and shortcast radio here. This is the first option. Coming to the theme here. Themes, here will be every theme will be here, the particular option. So option will be here and show your dashboard. And here navigations, title, subtitle, and header image. Settings, here home page settings, here is the option. Layout, card, grid, here list, every option will be here. So these are the particular layout. Style, these are the particular style option. Image selection, you can selecting for image will be here. Toolbar, you can selecting for toolbar here. Global style, you can selecting for image setting, toolbar setting, and setting option here. Every app icon and license agreement, launch notice, pro future, and rate for us option. Monetization, first we can go to your activities. In this we have to select in these activities, every option will be here. Just we have to all option will be there. In this select your option, home, and about this option will be here. So these are the particular activities. In this particular save change option will be here. So here custom page, select the plus option. We can go for setting, content, style, image, and a toolbar where your particular activation. Go back. Here the custom page option. Select here. Home, custom page, and about digital location. So nothing required. Remove it. Every option will be given the particular option for the particular user's purpose. In this theme, first navigation here. What are the changes are required? Settings, layout, show dashboard, and first no dashboard here in this. So use these options. You can make it for your app, and the particular option will be here. App icon, everything will be given by the setting option. First activity. Now how will we start the activity option? Now will we start here. Now you can start here. Easy to start. First you can give by app name here. Here. These are the particular themes. Wallpaper in this. Which theme you want and setting for everything will be here. Just a lot of is a education theme. So I'm selecting for education, but we can selecting for education theme. News, local business, which is you are very comfortable. You can selecting for this theme will be here. So these are the themes. I'm selecting which one? Education. Build this app. Now will be started here. Now these are all your particular activation. So what are activation will be done about our classes, how to make photography, Facebook, and the subscribe option. You click subscribe here. Every option will be there. The particular option, subtitle and description, everything here. Now in this about, just we can click for edit option. Change your about will be in the particular description. In the content part, and update by the content will be here. Just update content will be here. I'm adding here. Here, setting, about us. Done. Here every option will be here. Facebook, not interested. Photo gallery, not interested. Here, edited option. Content. You have to add the which one? Video URL option. Just where's the video here? Just I'm showing for video in this option here. This edit content, same option. Not required. Close. Website. Selecting my website. Blog. Here everything will be here in the particular screen. No worry about that. You can add by the particular option will be in this. Based on URL, they can show your particular preview option. Now, here every option will be here in this. Okay, oh, about here every option will be there, the particular field. So image, everything we can change, no worry about that particular image option. Here, custom page, photo gallery, subscriber, website, about, RSS feed, PDF form, HTML archive, contact us, email, map, or phone. You can add, all options are here. Just YouTube will be here. Content is a compass asking for API key and username. Is a little bit for tough for everyone. So the risk of, you can leave this option will be here. No worry about that option. Some people are API will be generating, still people will be facing that problem. Here will be the particular option. Add your Facebook, add your page URL. We can using for Twitter. Still is get error. So we can add in by the authentication code. Just since the Twitter here, we can go to step instructions. So which is your how to create this application, you can leave it. The simple one you can go for back to everyone. So I'm using this option will be based on your very comfortable zone. No worry about that in a particular option. Here everything is there, and check this option. So here, just contact. Content will be given. Add your title, email, website URL, and everything will be the particular option. Street address, every option will be here. Phone number. If it's not required, we can close this option. And call and email option. Anyone you have to suggest email will be here. Just we can write in for your particular email ID. So in this, these are the future give the particular option. So yeah, we can use this all option will be any hidden or include option will be here. So everything will be here in the particular platform. Next, theme. What are the changes you have to change here? So is a particular option will be here where the showing for image will be here. So choose another image. The image will be, we can know the size 16:9 aspect ratio. Just select here. I'm adding for particular one picture in this. Just what are the pictures are very impossible. So run it. So here very useful by the picture in this. Add your title and the subtitle option. Give a title will be in this. Is a visible will be like this. Is not required. Just close it. So every option is more important on the particular things. So what are the styles you can change or image? Everything will be very important on the particular app design purpose. Here is every option will be there. Now in this, here is the option. Navigation, done. Setting done. Layout. We have to give the card option, grid or list option. We can give the list. Here is the every option will be there in the particular things. Now style. What are the style you can? Image. This is your particular image. You can change your another image will be here. Use the particular size and change your image option in this toolbar here. Change your particular toolbar. So image design purpose we have to use by the Canva option. So here two images, 60:9 ratio, and here just I'm changing for two images. Give me the seconds. We can go to Canva. Coming to the app. We can use every design will be here. We can use the particular design will be used in the particular option. Or else we can change your particular design. Everything will be depend on your request. 3:1. 9. Another image. 1440 into 1440. This is the size will be you can select here. So I'm selecting customize size. Just this is your size. I'm using simple images. Download. Added by the your particular image. Choose another image. Size will be same size will be used. Download. Database size difference. Based on the size request, you can upload by image will be here. So some name will be missing here. In this. We can use perfect visible here. Every image, navigation. We can go to your every option will be here. Our class, subscribe, website, Facebook, and email option. Global stage, image setting, background. You can use any custom image. Is a none of the option. Font image. You can use it for custom here. In this wide image, square image, depend on your request. And toolbar settings. You can change your particular toolbar setting will be here. And setting. The finally app icon. App icon will be using for particular 500 by 500 design. So just this all icon will be made by the a particular feature using for Canva option. License agreement. Show your license. Only 20 license will be here. Latch notice. Pro future not required. Rate for us option will be here. Now this is the first method here. Suppose Facebook is not required, just close it. Here is the option will be here. Subscribe with the option will be there. Now in this theme, in this navigation, in navigation required, in this option, in this option will be here. Navigation not required. We can close this setting. Here home setting, show banner ad on the dashboard, show social sharing button will also will be here, not required. We can remove this. Show social sharing button. The setting control whether is not banner ads will be showing on the bottom of the line. Layout. In this will be here layout. Grid option also there. You can using for list option also will be here. Now style. And one more option is very important. When you come into the setting option here, select your image. In this future image will be here. This all will be, you can use the custom icons also will be applicable. Same option will be there. So in this we can use in for a particular option will be here. In this every option is more important to activate their particular options. So the now is I'm using for these options. Anything is not required, remove that option. Add your option will be here. If you are further when your power save or something about, and click for save change option. Don't build the app. When it is finalized, you can build the application and monetization. You can add the ad mob ads, banner or contextual ads, Amazon mobile ads, same option. Facebook audience network, same. App brain. These are all the particular websites to earning money from the particular ad setting option. Here will be here. Trial user have no access to ads integrate and are not able to further customize monetization future. So when you subscribe this feature, you can enable earning from through app also and services. Everything will be here. Enable Firebase analysis. Upload the code will be Google services code here. One signal code will be here. Is the one signal app ID. Here particular intercom particular ID will be here. So this all will be we can't generate. Finally, if you want build application in this build limited app, once build here, the three will be coming to the one option. Three will be coming to the one option. So any app you building purpose, when it is finalized, you can build the application. The APK we can applicate by the Google Play console also you can upload to make a application here. In the same app will be design the particular Play Store here. And website as an app also will be create. Now you can creating for customized application also. So which is your comfortable you can create here. These all will be customized with future. Suppose if you want change the theme also, go with the change your theme also will be here. In this when you're starting time what application you can select here, you can change your theme option also will be applicable. So you can go to project here. In this here you have to creating for two options, is a previous one and this will be recently. So we have any option will be applicable. When click for edit and start your application, you start beginner here along with theme also will be applicable by in this option. So both option will be flexible on the selecting in this application. So that is called what are the created option will be here, which is not required. You can remove that app also. And when it is built the three times, we can't create another app in the Andromo account for particular Gmail. We can create n number of Gmails for the application purpose. One app or you can create n number of apps, but APK build only for three times as a free of cost. So when you're creating any application, start for here, app name, select your themes, music, fashion, education, news, local business, event, a particular in this option. Which is your comfortable, select by the theme to build the application will be here. On average, your app will be ready from distribute within 15 minutes. It's a complete free application, but APK will generate only for 3 times for the particular each account. If you need unlimited require, go for the unlimited option. We have to go for where subscribe option will be given on the particular increase the billing purpose. So go with the plan for monthly, annually. So annual will be $8 per month, $21, $36. Monthly wise, $10, 28, 48. This option will be given in the particular position. When click subscribe and no AdMob, no AdMob. Here AdMob and Facebook ads, no Andromo branding. So this all will be compulsory will be given on the particular position. So depend on, we have to select option and create the application for using this Andromo application. Suppose your complete website as a creating for mobile application purpose. Another website will be there. This is Andromo will be customized purpose. To make an application will be complete customized. If you are making same this website as an application, as a mobile app, there's one more website will be there. I'm showing that website here. This is a website, appjixer.com. This website purpose, your complete website as a making for application. Same like showing here. And that application also we can upload by your Play Store option. Will making my website as is application. Here, same like we can make the screens. If you make customize, or you can website will making for the mobile application also. So these two website will be help for the year. In this API build purpose, no time limit will be there. You can APK will build and to make application will be here. This will be very easy process. Your website as it will be making for mobile application. This will be Android will be customized. Each you can design will be select and making application for the customized mobile app. But problem is called they give the Android display ad. So there is a drawback for Andromo. Go with the paid option and making your own application use on the Play Store and for the particular business grow purpose. This app will be we can making for gaming purpose or any other music tool purpose we can creating for Andromo application. Once you subscribe, lot of feature will be given by the andromo.com. So any further doubts to making application, please ask me in my YouTube channel, Digital Rakesh application in the particular channel. And this video already I'm making upload by my channel. Just go and watch the video to make your own application, website to app, Facebook to app. Everything will possible in this particular option. So everything will be create here. Create your app, your grow, app your earning purpose. Two things will be here to make and upload your app. Everything will be here on the particular earning purpose. This is a particular website will be help to making a mobile applications purpose.